So carrying on from last time, except this compound angle, yeah, we're going to work in radians, but it's exactly the same idea, but just mixed up a little bit. So here we're told to solve 2 cos 2x plus pi over 3 equal to 1. And remember, and also there's a double angle in here, so we need to be careful with that. Okay, so if we move everything that's not in the brackets over to the other side, this equals 1 over 2. Missed the plus 3 pi there. X plus pi over 3 equals 1 over 2. Then we take the inverse cos of both sides. This becomes 2x plus pi over 3 is equal to when cos -1 is equal to 1 and 2. Right, so cast diagram here. It's going to be first and last, and we also need to factor in our double angle. Okay, so you can think of having it twice, or whichever way you like to think about it. So what is this? Well, a half would be, if you're breaking in degrees, it'd be 60 degrees, but we're not. It's radians, so it's pi over 3. So 2x plus pi over 3 is equal to pi over 3. And also need to remember this last quadrant here is going to be 2 pi minus pi over 3, which will be 5 pi over 3. And then you're going to have your other 2 values. Okay, I'm just going to do them in a minute when we've simplified this a bit more. This becomes 2x is equal to 0 minus pi over 3, so that just becomes 4 pi over 3. Okay, I need to think what is going to be the period here. Well, because we've not divided by 2 yet, the period is still going to be 360. So I'm going to add 360 onto each of these 2 values. Or not 360 in this case, 2 pi, because we're in radians. See, even I can get confused. Okay, and then plus 2 pi here, so that will end up being 10 pi over 3. Okay, and now all you're going to do is divide by 2. X is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 4 over 3, this will be 6. Then there'll be a common factor of 2, so this becomes 2 over 3 pi. And this becomes, well, pi, 2 pi divided by 2 is just going to be pi. Again, this will become 10 over 6, so that just simplifies down to 5 over 3 pi. Okay, there are your 4 answers there. Okay, so there you go. That's everything in the trig topic for now. If you have any questions, get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help you out. Cheers.